Where did he go? Seriously.
He went behind the desk.
Oh, my. Now
Oh, I see him. He's sitting on the...
Where?
He's sitting there.
Oh, come on. I'm going to get you out. We're trying to get a bird out of here. He got stuck. And he's behind the door.
Well, just let him go.
Oh, he's so little.
I know, but...
He was like...
You're screaming, it's going to scare him.
Oh, you're right.
It's going to scare him. Just let him go.
I don't want to touch him because his mom may not touch him after. Okay, good. Now...
So now he's under...
Oh,